Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read tomo, or you in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means friend. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like you. On its own, it is usually tomo. 2 hands reaching toward each other, friends lending a hand. Now let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen. In order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Tomodachi means friend. Yuujin means friend. And shin'yuu means close friend. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Han, read han, auntie. Migi, read migi, right. Notice the small differences. So that's tomo, friend. 4 strokes, read tomo or you. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.